Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Wajaha and guess what? DeFi is finally live on the Cardano blockchain. We've been waiting for this for a long time. The question is it any good? So I thought today let's take a look at SundaeSwap, which is probably one of the largest decentralized exchanges to come to Cardano. It's not the first, but it is one of the largest. And you know, if we take a look, they have, let's have a look. Let's go to their Twitter, 290,000 followers. That's quite a lot. That is quite a lot. So, you know, I haven't actually used SundaeSwap. I haven't even tried it before. So I thought, let's do a first look. Let's try it out. Let's show you kind of what it's like essentially. So this is SundaeSwap. You can access it by going to sundaeswap.finance, and it's a decentralized trading protocol on Cardano. It's essentially the Uniswap, the PancakeSwap, the TerraSwap of the Cardano blockchain. So let's just enter the app and let's just see what we have here. Now I have actually connected my wallet already. What wallet do you use? Well, this one's called a Nami wallet. Again, it's just like your MetaMask or your TerraStation wallet essentially. You can just have your assets on here. You can put your NFTs on here as well. You can kind of see your history. You can see I've filled it up with some ADA about a week ago. And yeah, you just use this wallet to kind of connect to this exchange. So I think it's got quite a nice looking interface to begin with. You know, the sweetest decentralized exchange in the Cardano ecosystem. On the homepage, we've got these different pools that we can provide liquidity for. And we can kind of see the amount of ADA that's locked in some of these pools as well. So, you know, a decent amount, you know, you're talking 11, that's about $11 million. That's $7 million. That's fair. That is a fair amount of TVL for some of these pools. So before we look onto that, let's just go on the side. So we can see that it's still not in complete mainnet mode, but you know, that should come with time. Then we've got swap, liquidity, orders, and queue. We'll talk about this in a moment because there has been some FUD about it. Anyway, let's go to swap. I have literally never done a swap on SundaeSwap or anything on Cardano before, so let's just try this out. So we've got some ADA, and you know, let's just buy some Sunday actually. Let's buy $2 worth. Can we do that? So if we click this, I'm sure we'll get slippage. So yeah, let's keep it at 5%. Let's see what happens if we click this. Okay, ADA transaction fee. Okay, that's not too bad. That's kind of expected. Scuba processing fee. This doesn't seem to be that good. 2.5 ADA. Okay, so that's what we have to pay. Deposit. A small ADA deposit that you will get back when your order is processed or cancelled. Okay. Now that is unusual. We don't normally see that on other exchanges. Okay, if I click swap, will it work? Order swap. Okay. 6.7 ADA. Okay, I wonder if this is all of those fees together. So let's have a look. Let's do that again. So we're swapping 2 ADA. We're going to be paying, you know, 2 ADA for the actual transaction, 2.5 ADA for processing fee, another 2 ADA for a deposit, and then obviously the little transaction fees. Now, if we change this to like 20 ADA, does it change? No. Okay, so these are kind of fixed fees, so I guess that's okay. Let's just do 20. If I click swap and order swap, okay, let's sign this. Okay, so I mean, that seemed relatively straightforward. Let's see our order. Okay, this is, okay, so that was the one that we cancelled before. This is the one that we've just done now, submitting. Right, this is the horrible thing, or the bad thing that comes with using the Cardano blockchain right now. Right, this transaction that I'm doing right now, look how long it's taking. Guess what? It's not just seconds, it's not just minutes, it's not even just hours. I think that this is probably going to take days to kind of process. So that is pretty awful. I mean, I assume that my transaction is probably going to fail. It's probably going to fail because the price of Sunday, I just realized now, it's going to change more than 5% by the time this transaction completes. So yeah, I mean, is this really, this is awful, to be honest. I mean, if we go to swap, let's just have a look at what else we can do. Can we see what other tokens are available? Yeah, so we've got, I think this is liquid. We've got some meme coins here. Are there any stable coins here? That's what I'm interested in. Do we have any stable coins? Now, I know that there's a different protocol called Koti that's potentially creating some stable coins for the Cardano blockchain, but you know, do we have any wrapped assets? USDT, USDC, MIM? No, nothing at all. I kind of expected that, really. Let's have a look at liquidity. Let's provide liquidity. So ADA, and I'm guessing you can just, okay, so I'm guessing I need to have some other token in my wallet. Let's have a look. So we've got the similar kind of fee structure as Uniswap, 0.3% fees for each transaction. So that's relatively normal. If we click on orders, okay, that's showing me this transaction still. So that's liquidity, that's swap. Let's go to queue. Approximate number of processable orders in queue for the top 10 pools by TVL. Okay, so does that mean that we have 10,750 transactions trying to be processed at this moment? This isn't great, is it? Okay, so you know, at least we can kind of see which pools are gonna get their transactions done first, but still, this is awful. I mean, why would you even use SundaeSwap? Why would you even transact on Cardano right now? I mean, yeah, the network's congested, but you know, so is the Ethereum network, but it's still usable. This is pretty awful. This is pretty awful. So I'm guessing we'll just have to wait and see. Oh, at least we've got some cool night mode setting, but I mean, this needs a lot of work. I think generally Cardano needs a lot of work. This is not usable. This is not functioning. No DeFi ecosystem can run like this. We need something better than this, some big improvement, but you know, I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. This is not SundaeSwap's fault at all. This is a fault with the Cardano blockchain. It just doesn't work. I mean, you know, I know that people say that Ethereum's unusable, Ethereum doesn't work, but it does work. It just costs a bit to use. This doesn't work. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. That's the first overview of SundaeSwap. Let's see how long it takes for this transaction to complete. I will, I'll tweet about it. So make sure you follow me on Twitter, subscribe to the newsletter where I write about various different things happening in this Web3 space. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button if you like this sort of content, and I'll be back with another video soon.